it's not just, you're given the program, you're left out. You also have the support, correct?
Obviously, yes, yes, yes. Not even 30 days. I mean, if you want me to
Yeah.
calculate, it is just 17 days.
17 days.
But this training was really very practical, when we were pausing your videos and working on, simultaneously working on other screens. Like it really made me feel, energetic, and at the same way, it created an enthusiasm into me.
Hi everyone, meet Ashwaq. He's a digital nomad from Pune, and he got his first client in just 5 days starting the program. Is that correct, Ashwaq?
Yes, that's correct, Bipin.
Uh, Amazing. You have done a great job, and you're now in touch with the client, and you have started your own, first business also. So, how do you feel?
Well, I feel very confident, and like the feeling, the more powerful feeling is that I am my own boss right now. So there's no one
Mm,
on my head to supervise me.
awesome. So, what's your background? Do you have any digital marketing background, or is this the first time that you have started learning digital marketing and everything?
Well, I am an old school guy, so
Mm,
I am totally not aware about digital marketing concepts,
mm,
Facebook ads and Instagram ads. I was totally new to this industry. My background is into finance. I was into cash management and logistics. So,
mm.
but the training was so easy. It was so jargon free and in a layman's language that. Now I think I am able to do a better job than a technical person. That is what my confidence
Yeah.
level is so high.
Awesome. So you said you're from financial background, logistics. So how many years of experience do you have?
Well, in total I have 25 years of experience, and in cash logistic I have 10 years of experience.
Okay, 10 years in logistics, another 15 years in finance.
Yes.
Okay, now I know it is, having so much of year of experience and also old school. I mean, not so
Yeah,
advanced
yeah,
like us, like,
yes,
kids.
yes, yes.
So was that easy to understand? How was your, journey learning the skill?
Well, it was not really easy to understand, but then when you decide that you need to get out of something, and you focus yourself on something, then it becomes a very easy part. It just becomes a cakewalk. So the decision, and your focus is required 100%, 200%, so that you can achieve your goals. That is the key. When you think that you have to learn, then you have to learn. There is no turn around. You're turning back.
Yeah,
That
that
is
is,
what I did.
yeah. That's it. Like, if we decide on changing something and we put our focus, we'll definitely achieve it.
Right, right. I agree with you, Bipin.
Correct. So, what all skills, like that you learned in just 30 days?
In these 30 days, I was able to build in confidence, because uh, confidence in the sense on talking to customers. Like I have never done sales before, so I was
Mm.
now I'm able to pitch in my. You have a wonderful script that is actually a proven script, and that is actually a very good script, and I'm able to talk to customers uh, with confidence. I am able to close the deal. I'm able to be technically savvy to add account in my Facebook, create ads, work on Canva, and all the stuff that you taught me. I'm very confident. I'm pretty much confident on all those things now.
Nice.
So there are multiple skills that I've acquired so far.
Yeah. And also in just shortest period of time, in 30 days.
Yes, this is the record time. Not even 30 days. I mean, if you want me to
Yeah.
calculate, it is just 17 days.
17 days. So you
Yeah,
told
because
that,
on
you
31st,
started a little late and then you were able
late.
to
Yes, yes.
finish everything in 17 days.
Yes, yes. Finish everything. 30 days course I finished in 17 days. And I mean, I applied for graduation on July 31st, I guess. Yes, and today we are on graduation call.
Awesome. And now, like, let's say, now you have learned it. The purpose of learning is to become a master.
Correct. Yes.
So you've learned it now, you've got the confidence. That is the anyone who's getting started, this is the maximum that anyone can do in just 30 days.
Right.
You have no background of digital marketing, you've got a client, you've done your website, you've learned skills, you've learned Canva, setting up your ad account and everything. This is the maximum one can do in 30 days.
Correct. Correct.
Now implementing, having 2 clients, 3 clients, 4 clients, now it is in your hand.
That's right.
And we also have the community. What do you have to say about the community? That
Well, the community is really very helpful. I mean, the moment you shoot a question in the group, in the Telegram group, I mean, people, two, three, at least you'll get replies from two, three people, whether it is Amin or it is Radha Krishna or it is Keyur or it is Aditya Pandit. I mean, we have never met these people, but then now we know them, by names and by on our weekly Zoom calls. So
correct.
we meet them very often, and these people are really very helpful. They'll teach
Awesome.
you how to
Awesome.
do and what to do.
So it's not just, you're given the program, you're left out. You also have the support, correct?
Obviously, yes, yes, yes. You will never be left alone by anyone. I mean, there is always a hand holding by everyone in the community.
Um, awesome. Also, what do you have to say about the mentor? Maybe,
Bipin,
you have taken so many corporate experience, you have so many trainings that you have gone through. What
yes,
do you have for me?
yes, Bipin, I think you're the best trainer so far. So I have dealt with many trainers in my life. I have completed my Six Sigma trainings, and but all those trainings were theoretical, where you actually go to sleep in the class. But this training was really very practical, when we were pausing your videos and working on, simultaneously working on other screens. Like, it really made me feel, energetic, and at the same way it created an enthusiasm into me. So you are awesome personality. Probably
Thank you.
sometime
Thank you.
we will catch up and we'll meet
Definitely,
sometime for sure.
definitely, we will definitely catch up. We are also planning, for events and everything. We will start soon. Definitely, we will catch up.
Sure, sure, sure.
Um,
That will be great.
okay, Ashwaq. So how did you find me, and how did you get enrolled to this program?
Yes, I was actually checking my Facebook account. Generally I watch videos. So
Mm,
while watching those videos, I came across your ad,
mm,
and the tagline of the ad was very attractive. Like, do you want to quit your 9 to 5 job? And that exactly what I was looking for.
mm,
I really wanted to get out of that mess. So I clicked that link. I registered myself for the webinar. I attended your webinar. I found you, to be very a genuine person. Then I registered for a call. I received a call from Bopanna, who actually, took me through the whole process for nearly about 1.5 to 2 hours. Then we discussed about everything, and
mm,
then I was very skeptical, like, since I was not a technical person and I was not very Facebook savvy. The only thing I use Facebook is for, watching videos. I don't even check posts. So the
correct,
entertaining videos, that is also for a very small amount of time.
correct.
So Bojanna actually guided me, gave me the confidence that people here are actually, most of the people that join your program are non-technical background people.
Mm.
So they join and then they learn. So, well, that is how I got into the program. And today I'm very
So
happy that I took that decision very right.
awesome. So, very important question is, whatever Bojana or like my team promised or we promised in the webinar, was that delivered?
It was delivered. Yes, it was delivered. It was
Okay.
delivered, and it was over delivered. Actually, I should say, because the one question that I remember Bojana asking me, like, what is your target in for next year?
Mm,
I told him that, I really want to earn around 2 lakh rupees a month.
mm,
So he immediately told me, boss, don't go so far. You
mm.
know, you have to target low first. Target low. You'll definitely achieve a 2 lakh landmark. But
Mm.
then think of 50,000, then 1 lakh, then likewise, slowly you'll build in confidence, and you'll surely earn that much of amount. So yeah, he was
Got
very
it.
upfront
Oh,
in telling me. There was nothing sugarcoating, in the webinar. And that was what I liked the most. Like you teach the closing skills, right?
got it.
Yeah, I
And
think he's one of the best closer.
yes, how is it? Week 3 of closing and sales.
Yeah, it was good. Actually, I am that kind of a person who hates sales. I really hate sales because at one point of time, I was actually selling Swaraj Mazda bus, and in my 1 year
Mm.
tenure, I was not able to sell even a single bus to anyone. So I was bad at it, but now
So
I have
bad
a
at
confidence.
this. Now
Yeah,
you like it.
I like it. I am enjoying it actually.
Yes, because it is not sales, it is closing.
Closing, that's correct. Yes, there's a
Uh,
difference, vast difference.
Correct. And yeah, the way we connect, the way we do is very, very different. So the first client that you got, is it through call, meetup, Facebook? Like how did you initially initiate that conversation?
I started with the cold call strategy. The
Call.
Yeah, I actually, I started with gyms, since my niche is, very uncommon in the platform, and people don't really advertise except for big bankers and everything. Then they advertise for loans and credit cards. So I did not wanted to go into that. So I started with gyms,
Mm.
then dentist. So I was able to, well, I was like putting the script in front of me on the laptop, and then I was calling them and I was reading that in such a way that I'm talking to them.
Ah.
So yeah, so like that I have 2 3 appointments this Saturday also. So this Saturday I'll be visiting some 3 gym owners.
So you were able to close that, first call you were able to close in just
Yes,
less than a
yes.
minute.
Within 30 seconds, I should say. Within
Wow.
30 seconds, there's like, I mean, you introduce yourself and then you tell them that give us 15 seconds if you
Whatever.
have, or
We will
else.
not give them, we will not tell them here.
Yeah, okay. And then
Yeah.
I spoke with them, and when they were curious about it, to know them, I said, I'll come and meet you and we can discuss. I'll show you my work, and then probably we can move ahead. So I'm scheduled for an appointment on Saturday morning.
Great. Awesome. Very happy to see that your progress. Really, really happy. Now, what you need to do is, okay, each client has the potential minimum to give you 25,000 rupees per month.
That's right.
In a city called Pune, Mumbai, easy 25,000 they will give you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now, it's like you have a real estate property. If
Hmm.
you want to
Hmm.
rent a house for 25,000 rupees, it should be a 2 BHK or 1 BHK. You need to spend 1 crore to at least have one house.
Correct.
So you have not invested anything. You have invested on this learnings,
Right.
and each client can pay you 25,000 rupees per month. So
Right.
let's imagine you have four houses now.
Hmm.
Four houses empty. Now, right now, your four houses empty. Maybe one house is full. Still,
Hmm.
three houses are empty.
Right.
Okay, you just have to go use the skills, close clients, fill your four houses. So you will be making 1 lakh per month.
Exactly. Yes.
Once you fulfill four houses, okay, open another four houses. In which city do you want? Do you want in Mumbai? Do you want in Bangalore? Anywhere. And now, if you go to Dubai, if you go to international countries, I mean, international cities, there the house rent is not 25,000, it is 75,000.
Correct.
You
Yes.
can achieve this. This is the way that you need to move forward.
Right. Right. I
Now,
understand.
now, you know, now you have learned the skill. Now I'm telling you this. Do you feel that you can do this?
Yes, of course. I feel that I can do this. I have that feeling, and the
Yes.
feeling is very, really, very strong.
That's it. You will win.
Yeah,
Remember, one idea over a long period of time is where you'll make your fortune.
sure.
Only one
Correct.
idea. You don't need hundreds of ideas. You don't need different things to try out. Just need one thing, which is very proven. What business owners need? They need customers.
Right.
You get, one or two clients, you get more confidence, and people will just start signing up for your services.
Right. Right.
That's it. If one client leaves, okay, you have a house empty. fill up another house. It's the same thing. You have a rental house. If the tenant leaves, you will, you will market yourself and fill that house.
Correct. Correct.
It's the same thing. You don't need to invest 1 crore, 2 crores for a real estate property. Your knowledge is real estate today.
Right. Right. Right.
And to make money, you don't need money to make money. You need
Absolutely.
energy. You need energy equal to make money. Now you are in the right formula in this 2023 with this recession. You put more energy, make more money. That's it.
Okay. Correct. Yes.
So what do you have to say for someone who want to really join us?
Well, I think people, those who are really thinking to join the program, and there are lots of ads nowadays, surfacing on Facebook where, so if anyone is interested, they should indulge in your program as soon as possible and grab this golden opportunity. So
Yeah.
people should grab this opportunity immediately.
Awesome. So I'm really, really happy that you decided that you will, learn all this, and you took action and you started seeing the result.
Yes.
Okay, I'm
Yes.
really happy with this progress. Uh, I would wish all success and all success in this journey for you. The only thing that you need to do is focus on one thing, one idea over a long period of time. You make your fortune. One idea, one mentor, one goal. Okay, you want to make 3 lakhs, you have the possibilities here. And
Right.
you want the team, again, the community is there to help you in the team.
Right.
So you're not just alone, you start building the business, inside this community itself.
Right. Right.
Okay. So all the very best. Congratulations again.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Bye.
Amazing.